Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS home school. This is Muhammad Emdadul, assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 2.1 question 19. This is a creative question. This question I will solve in today's class. And question 20, this is also a creative question. This is given for your homework. Okay, dear students. So let us see question 19 at first. Question 19. A fruit seller bought some bananas at the cost of Taka 36 for 12 pieces from Joshua and Taka 36 for 18 pieces from Kustia. He sold equal pieces of bananas both from Joshua and Kustia. His salesman sold the bananas at Taka 36 for 15 pieces. Okay, now depending on given stream, three questions are given as this is creative question. First question A. What was the cost price of 100 pieces from Joshua? Question B. If the salesman sold all the bananas, how much would be profit or loss in percentage? Dear students, question B, you have to remember that this percentage, this word in percentage is not given in your book. Okay, so if the word is not given here, what will you determine? Determine how much would be profit or loss. How can you determine, as number of bananas is not mentioned here, so it's not possible to determine the profit or loss. So you have to determine the profit or loss in percentage, but in your book this is not given. If you see the book of Bangla version, there you will see you have to determine, in this question you have to determine the profit or loss in percentage. So you can correct this one, the profit or loss in percentage. Okay, now question C. If the fruit seller wants to make 25% profit, what would be the selling price for 4 pieces of banana? Okay, dear students, now we are going to solve this question. First question, solution. First question, question A. This is a very simple question. What is written here in question A? What was the cost price of 100 pieces from Joshua? It means that we have to determine the cost price of 100 pieces of banana which is taken from Joshua. It means that from using the information Taka 36 for 12 pieces from Joshua, we have to solve question A. So we can write from Joshua, the cost price of 12 pieces of banana is Taka 36. So we can write, therefore the cost price of one piece of banana, cost price of one piece of banana is Taka. As the number of banana decreases, so the price will also decrease, so you have to divide 36 by 12. Now we need to determine the price of 100 piece of banana. The cost price of 100 piece of bananas is, we can write here, as the number of pieces of banana increased here, so this price will also increase, so we have to multiply. As we have to multiply, we have to write 100 in numerator. Now if we divide, we can cut 12. We can cut 12 by 12, we will get 1, and 36 by 12 we will get 3. Now if we multiply, what will we get? We will get here 3 ones are 3, here 2 0 here, it means 300 Taka. So the cost price or the price of 100 pieces of banana from Joshua is Taka 300. So we can write, therefore, the cost price of 100 pieces of bananas from Josur is taka 300. So this is our answer for question A. Dear students, this is very simple question. I hope you have understood this one. Now we will solve question B. What is question B? Question B is, if the salesman sold all the bananas, how much would be profit or loss in percentage? It means that we have to determine the profit or loss in percentage. To determine the profit or loss in percentage, at first we have to determine here what will occur here, profit or loss. To know profit or loss will occur, at first we will determine the selling price and cost price of same number of bananas. So we can write here from Josur, solution of B. From Josur, the cost price of 12 pieces of bananas is taka 36. Therefore, the cost price of one piece of banana is taka. We have to divide 36 by 12. This will be taka 3. Now again from Kustia, again from Kustia, the cost price of here is from Kustia 18 pieces for taka 36. So we can write 18 pieces of bananas is taka 36. Therefore, the cost price of one piece of banana is taka. We have to divide 36 by 2. This will be taka 2. Now, if we add these two, cost price of one banana from Josur and cost price of one banana from Kustia, we will get the total cost price of 2 bananas. And then if we divide that by 2, we will get the cost price of one banana. So we can determine the average cost price of one banana. So we can write here, so the cost price of one plus one or 2 bananas is taka 2 plus 3 or taka 5. Therefore, the cost price of one banana is taka. We have to divide 5 by 2. This is the cost price of one banana. As cost price of 2 banana is 5, so average cost price of one banana is 5 by 2. Now, from the given information, we can determine the selling price of one banana. So, determine again the selling price of how many banana here? For 36 taka 15 banana. So we can write 15 pieces of bananas, each taka 36. Therefore, the selling price of 1 pieces of banana is taka. We have to divide 36 by 15. So we can cut by 3. Here will be 5, here will be 12. This will be taka 12 by 5. Now this is the selling price of 1 piece of banana. So now we have to compare the cost price of 1 piece of banana and selling price of 1 piece of banana. Which one is greater here? Here if we compare, we can compare easily. I can show you a technique. 5 by 2 and 12 by 5. Which one is greater? We have to determine, as we need to compare these two. Selling price or cost price is greater. We have to compare. To compare these two fractions, multiply these two. 5 5s are 25 and multiply these two diagonal, you will get 2 2s are 24. As first diagonal is greater, so first fraction is greater. So we can say 5 by 2 is greater than 12 by 5. So as cost here 5 by 2 is cost price of 1 banana. So we can say 5 by 2 is greater. So cost price is greater. It means loss. It means loss. So we can say here as 5 by 2 is greater than 12 by 5. So loss will occur. Loss will occur. As loss will occur, so we can determine the loss amount. Therefore, loss equal to, we need to subtract the selling price of 1 banana from the cost price of 1 banana. Here cost price of 1 banana is 2 by 5 by 2 minus selling price of 1 banana is 12 by 5. If we subtract, what will we get? Now do the LCM 10. Now if you take 5 5s are 25 minus 24, this will be taka 1 by 10. Taka 1 by 10 is the total loss for 1 banana and the cost price of 1 banana is 2 by 5. So as we know the cost price of 1 banana and the amount of loss for 1 banana, we can determine the loss in percentage. So we can write if or when the cost price is taka 5 by 2, then the loss is taka 1 by 10. Therefore, when the cost price is taka 1, then the loss is, as here is 1, we have to write here, we have to divide this by 2. So if we divide, this denominator will go to the numerator and numerator will go to the denominator. So this will be 1 multiply by 2 divided by 10 multiply by 5. Now therefore, when the cost price is taka 100. Now what I have write here 100. Why I have write here 100? Dear students, we need to determine the profit or loss in percentage. Profit or loss in percentage means we have to determine the profit or loss for the cost price 100 taka. For this 100 taka we have to take here. Then the loss is taka, we have to multiply 1, 2 and 100 and here is 10, here is 5. Now we can cut 10, 100, we will get here 10, we can cut 5, 10, we will get here 2. So nothing remaining in the numerator is 1, 2, 2, it means 4, it means taka 4. Taka 4. Taka 4 is the loss for 100 taka. It means the loss in percentage is 4%. Therefore, the required loss is 4%. Therefore, the required amount of loss is 4%. Required amount of loss is 4%. Dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question B. Now I have to solve question C. What is question C? Question C, if the fruit seller wants to make 25% profit, what would be the selling price for 4 pieces of banana? It means that at first we have to determine the cost price of 4 banana, and then if we can determine the cost price of 4 banana, then we can determine the profit, and if we add the profit with the cost price, we will get the selling price. So we have to determine the cost price of 4 banana at first. From B we know the cost price of 1 banana. Cost price of 1 banana is taka 5/2. We have to use this information in question C. We have to use this information. The cost price of 1 banana is taka 5/2. As average cost price we have to use. We can write here solution of question C. From B we get the cost price of 1 banana is taka 5/2. Therefore, the cost price of 4 bananas is taka, we have to multiply by 4, 5/2 multiply by 4, we can cut 4/2, we will get here 2, this will be taka 10. 10 taka is the cost price of 4 banana. Now we can determine the 25% of 10 taka, then we will get the profit. So we can write here as the seller wants to make 25% profit. So total profit equal to, for banana total profit will be equal to 25% of the price of 4 banana, that is taka 10. So we can write 25% means 25/100 of taka 10. Now we can cut 25 and 10 here. What will we get? We will get here 4 and here is 1. So if we cut 4, we will get here 2, here cut 10, we will get here 5. So this is 5/2, this is taka 5/2. Now if we add this 5/2, this is the amount of profit. So if we add this profit with the cost price, we will get the selling price. So the required selling price is, therefore the selling price will be taka 10 plus 5/2. Now if you calculate, this will be taka LCM is 2. This will be 20 plus 5. That means taka 25 by 2. It means taka 12 integer 1 by 2. As this is improper fraction, we can convert this into mixed fraction. So this is the selling price, required selling price. So we can write the required selling price is, therefore the required selling price is taka 12 integer 1 by 2. This is our answer for question C. Dear students, I hope you have understood the total solution of the creative question 19 from exercise 2.1. Dear students, question 20 from exercise 2.1 is given for your homework. Do this homework properly and submit your homework in next Saturday. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.